Friends, let's make some paper scrap washi. So I'm going to be using thick masking tape here. If you want a link, let me know in the comments and I'll send it to you. And I'm just going to put that on a cutting board that I get from the dollar store that's plastic, super cheap, but it's great for this purpose. And then I'm going to grab all of these beautiful scraps that I have from my neutral paper packs. So these are all like scraps from painted papers that I made, and they're all in a really beautiful neutral color palette, which is so great. So I love these. You can get these in my Etsy store, the paper packs, if you're interested. And then I'm just going to take a glue stick and start gluing them down. I'm using this color palette, but you can use whatever kind of paper scraps you have and it'll look awesome. I am going to leave some of the masking tape exposed because I think that it really contrasts with the painted papers, the neutral painted papers beautifully, and I really love that look. But you could cover the whole thing up if you wanted to with all your paper scraps. And I'm just applying some glue, and I'm just like making sure that I have enough contrast. These papers are made with like lots of mark making, splatters with paint, like some smooshing. And they're different rates. So there's rubbings on like manuscript paper and old book pages and, tissue paper that I coffee dyed. So there's a bunch of different options. And these are kind of the offcuts. So I love saving these for projects and they're so pretty. I don't want to throw them away. So this is just a really great way to use them. And I thought this washi tape would be really, really cool to add to any journal spread. I think it's really, really pretty with the neutral kind of tones. And I'm using the scraps so that they're contained within the masking tape, but you could let them go off the edge. You could cover the whole thing if you wanted. But this is just how I'm doing it. And I really like the way that it turned out. So it's really fun. If you are always looking for ways to use your paper scraps, this is such a great way to use them. I love this tape. I can't wait to use it in other projects. And if you have a bunch of scraps hanging around, this is the way to use them, I think. And all I'm doing is looking for contrast. That's it. And what looks good to your eyes. Like, you can't do this wrong. And I'm doing this, using the glue stick because I want to still be able to stick this down. But, you could use the opposite side too. You'll just have to use a glue stick to glue it down. But I love the way that the masking tape is still exposed. So that's kind of what I was after. But, you do your thing. You're the boss of your art. You know what you like. And that's the important part. So I'm just going to keep working, keep putting on all these beautiful scraps until it's all done. And I will definitely show you how I use this. That's a piece of tracing paper. So pretty. I just love all these papers. The neutral paper pack is definitely my favorite. It's so beautiful with all those browns and blacks and neutrals. It's just pretty. So I'm going to keep adding. I'm getting like littler and littler scraps just because I'm kind of finishing up. I'm liking the way that this looks. So I like to get a little bit smaller. And you could do this like on a sheet protector too. You don't have to have the chopping boards or anything that, you can rip it up. If you have like labels, sometimes I like to save labels or stickers backing for this kind of washi tape, and it works out great too. But really fun. And I'm so excited to share this with you. I thought, all of us are always looking for ways to use our paper scrap. So this is always a fun one. And you can use even those little ones like I just did there. And I have like another way that I want to embellish this too. So I'll show you that eventually too. But let me know if you like this idea and if you want to see more of these kinds of videos. I would love to share them with you. But it's really fun. And I can't wait to use this. Like, I have so many ideas for how I can use this tape. And I'm just going to take an old credit card and just really make sure that the paper is pressed into the glue. So I'm just going over all of it. Just like that. And then that's going to be it, friends. I'm going to let it dry completely and then it's ready to go. So really fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time. Happy creating, friends. Bye.